exploring the world of Montessori wooden busy boards. And this busy board is specially designed for toddlers who love switches and LED lights. There are 8 different switches set up on this busy board, and each switch corresponds to a different color or style of LED light. The brightness of each light is, if like each LED is adjusted to be just right for the baby, not too bright, too dazzling, or too dark to see clearly. And this Montessori busy board is the perfect birthday Christmas gift for kids. Toddlers can use this toddler busy board to recognize different colors and sizes. This sensory toy can exercise babies' thinking ability and hands-on ability. And please prepare 2 AAA batteries by yourself before use. And the size of this product is 9 by 1, 5 by 2 inches, and this busy board is for 1 year old, suitable for different scenarios such as at home or on the plane, in the car, during travel. This is the perfect travel toy that will make your baby quiet down and do his own thing. And if you want to get to know more about this product, you will find it in the description down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.